Your Excellency, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, trustees of the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation, distinguished guests, fellow awardees, ladies and gentlemen. I accept the great honor bestowed upon me with humility. I am overwhelmed to be included with the eminent personages and to be a part of such a great tradition of Asia. I owe this award to the parents in Andhra Pradesh who believed that their children deserved the best and were willing to make enormous sacrifices to give them a life of dignity. The voice of these parents cuts across cultures such as tribal communities, minorities, Dalits, and others, across livelihood patterns such as agricultural laborers, landless labor, small and marginal peasants, artisans, fishermen, and migrant labor, those engaged in informal work in rural, urban, and semi-urban contexts. They have shown beyond doubt that there is a crying demand for education. I also owe the award to all the children who have braved their way to schools and are willing to fight a daily battle to continue until they finish school. It is no exaggeration to say that these young girls and boys and their acts of defiance are paving the way for future generations of children and their rights. In a sense, this award is a vindication of our organization's stand that no child must work and every child must go to school. The award has been owned by thousands of volunteers who are working relentlessly for protection of children's rights, especially the right to education. I often wonder what gives our volunteers this capacity to be so tolerant and magnanimous and to edge even the most difficult of adversaries to become protagonists for child rights. This was possible because of their belief in the path of nonviolence and the power of dialogue and discussion. Their inordinate faith in the system and their conviction that it is possible to build a norm in favor of child rights is indeed so very touching. They know that in the emancipation of children and building a society that respects them lay the foundation for emancipation of all. The award has enthused all our partners, the NGOs, government officials, donors, parents, youth, elected representatives, school teachers, lobbyists, those who ardently believe that abolishing all forms of child labor and sending children to full-time formal schools is a non-negotiable. There is a mood of celebration shared by everyone who's contributing towards the protection of child rights. Even in the remotest of villages of Andhra Pradesh, meetings and rallies are being held. Messages of congratulations and greetings are being exchanged, giving all of us a sense of pride. It is still hard to believe the dramatic effect the award has had. Protection of child rights has now made the headlines in the press and on TV. The possibility of children enjoying the right to education is being intensely discussed in the media, in schools, at workplaces, in farms and factories, and in the government. This is something we had always dreamed must happen. The Magsaysay Award has made it possible almost overnight. We do hope to see this move further towards the total abolition of child labor. I thank the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation for putting the issue of child rights on center stage. Thank you.